Mr. Worldwide.
of party people.
Get on the floor, darling. Get on. Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Darling.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. Tonight we gon' get it on the floor. Tonight we gon' get it on the floor. I know you got it, clap your hands on the floor and keep on rocking, rock it up on the floor. If you're a criminal, kill it on the floor, steal it quick on the floor, on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. It's getting ill, it's getting sick on the floor. We never quit, we never rest on the floor. If I ain't wrong, we probably die on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Tonight we gon' get it on the floor. Tonight we gon' get it on the floor.
At eto na ang theme song ng mga gustong magpakatotoo in love. Give it up for Princess Jane Mounter and Shanty!
Naaalala ko pa dati nung una kang makita, diba? Wala kang ang kagwapuhan na maipakita. Inaasar ka ng kulang ka sa bitamina. At mukha mo daw nasubugan pa ng dinamita.
Pero kahit na pangit ka, akin ka, gustong gusto ko pa rin na mapasakin ka. Kahit mukha kang galing, api ka, kahit parang di ka nagtatabla ng mahika.
Hindi alam kung bakit ako'y nagugulo-gulo sa'yo. Hindi alam kung ano ba ang nagdudulot-dulot nito. Hindi ka naman gwapo, macho di masyado, ngunit sabi ng puso'y oo, oo. Sabi ng barkada, huwag na lang daw sana, ngunit sabi ng puso'y oo, oo. Baka walang magkita kung sinapak ka sa iyong mukha, pagka parang tinapakan ka. Baka sa galit ng Diyos may kinalaman ka, o nagmadali lang siya nung ginawa ka niya.
Pero kahit na pangit ka, akin ka, ito ang baterya sa puso ko na makina. Kahit mukha kang